Hey, what the hell's this animal doing in here? Get back, now! Don't ya dare, Cappy. Step away from that alarm. Crazy critter. Y'all caused a mess. Get down! What's happening? Is there a fire?
Fire in the building! Get help! Now!
Cappy, I reckoned you were just causing trouble, pressing that alarm. But truth is, you saved every soul in this building. Forgive me.
This medal's for Cappy, a true hero among us. Folks, honor him with a like.
What's that critter doing to the ATM?
Hey! Step away from that ATM right now. Scram! Stay away from this ATM, y'all hear? Little rascal, back at it again, trying to steal from the ATM, ain't ya? Stand still right here. I'm calling the cops to deal with ya.
Let me see.
This is a card skimmer, a method of stealing information.
If not for Cappy, dozens could have lost their cards here.
This badge ain't just a title, it's proof Cappy protected every one of us. Folks, clap your hands and hit that like for our guardian of the ATM.
Hey! Hey! What do you think you're doing with that? With that? Stop right there, thief! Drop those supplies now! Caught y'all now! Y'all really figured you'd get away with stealing from my store? Wait, that gauze? He patched up the dog? Cappy took the bandage to save the dog? Forgive me, Cappy. I was blind to your kindness. I should have seen the truth sooner. Today we honor Cappy, not a thief, but a hero who saved a life dog. Folks, give him your applause and hit that like for his kindness.
Dang it, Cappy. Quit that racket at the door and let us have some peace. Dang it, Cappy. Enough with that door. I said quit it. Dang it, Cappy. This is where you'll stay tonight. I ain't having you tearing up my house no more.
Han, I'm feeling a bit short of breath and there's a strange smell hanging in the air.
Good Lord, it's gas. Cappy was trying to warn us.
Cappy, forgive us. We thought you were trouble, but you saved our lives tonight.
This medal's for Cappy. He spotted the gas leak before any of us. Folks, honor his sharp instincts with a like tonight.
Stop right there, Cappy. You can't take food out to this cafeteria.
Now, Cappy, class needs quiet. Can y'all control that belly of yours?
Don't think I didn't see that, Cappy. Put that sandwich and milk back right now. Don't you run from me, Cappy! Hand over that food and quit breaking the rules!
Lunchtime's for the cafeteria, but Cappy's out here. Something ain't adding up.
Lord have mercy, my belly's been empty since morning. Thank y'all, Cappy. You're a true blessing.
I've got you now, Cappy. You must come with me to the office right now.
Hold on there, ma'am. Let the Cappy be. You need to hear the truth first.
Cappy, I judged you too harsh. Can you ever forgive me for doubting your kindness?
Cappy's kindness started all of this. If you believe the world needs more of this, show it by liking Cappy and his kindness.
Flood's hitting, Cappy. On your feet, Appin. Folks out there need saving.
The rain is coming down really hard. This flood's gonna be huge. But we're gonna get everyone to safety.
Help! Please, somebody! I'm stuck up here! Ugh.
There's someone calling for help on the other side, but the whirlpool's too strong, our boat can't reach them.
Cappy! Cappy!
Oh my God! Cappy, you came to save me! I thought I was here forever! Cappy, you're saving my life! I will never forget this! I don't know how to thank you. Cappy, you gave me my life back.
Today we honor Cappy, the hero who risked it all. If his bravery moved you, leave a like.
Cappy, Grandma's stuck bad under this heavy branch. Come quick, Grandma needs ya! Oh, Cappy, thank the Lord y'all found Grandma. Don't leave me now, darling. Hold strong, Cappy. Grandma knows you're strong enough. Don't quit now.
Wow. 911 here. Stay calm. Tell me what happened so we can send help.
Lucky for ya, Grandma, Cappy called for help in time. Now all y'all gotta do is rest that leg.
Thank y'all, Cappy. Grandma don't know what she'd do without y'all. Cappy's the reason I'm standing here today. If his kindness touched your heart, give him a like.